be there for corner. If you say you love me, I go make you spend some pounds and dollars. Abba. Now I'm in so many in the world. Hey, can't wait to say I do. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah, and today is another 3, 2, 1 video. 3, 2, 1, in which I give you short phrases and sentences which I feel will be helpful when traveling to Ghana as a tourist and you'd like to communicate with the locals. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you to subscribe. Just do it. Like, let's not fight. It's not a competition. It's not a fight. Just click it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and leave a comment. If you can't think of one, leave an emoji in the comment section. Right. So today's translation is, please, where are the toilets? Or where is the toilet? Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea ne wahi. Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea ne wahi. Please, where are the toilets? But really, it's saying, please, the toilets are where? Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea, the toilet place is where? Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea ne wahi. Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea ne wahi. So you can also say, ɛhefa na agyananbea no wɔ. Ɛhefa na agyananbea no wɔ. Or the longer version of my previous statement would be, Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea no wɔ he? Mepaakyɛw, agyananbea no wɔ he? Instead of mepaakyɛw. Mepaakyɛw. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.